right, here we are at the Surfside Beach Pier at night. A lot of you wanted to see what it looks like, and we're going to take you on a tour. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and tonight we're gonna bring you a tour of the Surfside Pier at night. Let's go check it out. Whew, that was a climb.
So there's your River City Cafe. And here's a look at Surfside at night. And as we walk through here, you got your Drippy's homemade ice cream. We'll see what's open, but lots of people wanted to know if there were lights on the pier. So some of these places are still not open, but Drippy's happens to be open and full of people. So from the side here, looking out at the ocean at nighttime toward Myrtle Beach, right there. And another look at River City. If you notice along the walkway here, they got these composites. I'm going to give you this if you want it. I want to go on this side and look. You can barely see over here toward Garden City, way on that side. All right, so we're going to take a walk on the pier here. Let's see if I can get a little light. Might help out, huh?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe not. Try not to shine the light at anybody so they won't get upset.
And at night, the rules, the same rules during the daytime still apply at night.
Still apply at night. Wow. So there are some, what are these called? Sconce lights.
Oh.
On the side here. Yeah. So let me see what it looks like if I zoom down there. Oh, okay. There we go. See, look at how it's lit up a little bit.
Yes. And it is about, let's check the weather, because I know a lot of you asked the weather. So let me check that for you. And it is 75 degrees out here. It's 9 o'clock right here in beautiful Surfside Beach, South Carolina.
All right, let's see here. If we can take a look over to the side. Can't see the waves here.
See if you can turn the light on there.
Let's see if I can turn the light on a little bit and zoom in a little bit. Oh, look at the waves.
Oh, wow, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, all the way to Myrtle Beach.
And as you can tell in the left over here, River City is all lit up like it's Christmas time.
Right,
look at
so
that.
Let's look at this side here.
And there's Scotty's Beach Bar, which they sing karaoke every Friday and Saturday night.
You might catch us there if you like to sing karaoke.
Come on down and sing with us. That is so much fun. We do have a good time there.
There's a look at Murrells Inlet, and we will continue down a little bit further down the pier here.
It's nice and quiet, so we're going to try not to be too loud, because beach bites can be loud sometimes.
Oh, I can be loud every time. Oh. Take this down a little bit.
And as we're walking the pier, we can also hear Neil and Pam's. They also have karaoke on Friday night. So
that's true.
They've got a packed house, and they're over there singing and having a good time.
All right. Let's get a little bit more light now that we've passed some people. Try not to disturb them.
That's right.
Look at the nice benches here.
Good for fishing. And
Oh, it's good, nice wood, huh?
Yes.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, and it's good sanded down so it won't give you splinters.
And as you can tell, this is where the pier widens a little bit.
A little bit here,
so they have room to where you can clean the fish over here.
Oh, yeah. And the last time we were here, the table was, I don't know if they've started fishing or not.
I don't think so.
Please shut off the water.
After each use.
After use. Maybe they have. I'm not sure if they started fishing or not. I think they're not until the tackle place is open.
The bait and tackle shop?
Yeah, let's get way on this side.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the bait and tackle needs to be open first.
And in the distance down there is Garden City. Beat Bites and I drove through that, and the Kingfisher was still closed down, but the lights are on.
That's right.
But it was happening down there, and it looked a lot of fun. It reminded me of summer. How about you, Beat Bites?
It sure did, because it's getting that time of year.
Getting closer and closer.
And here's what it looks like without our spotlight. You want to know if there's any lights on the Surfside Beach Pier?
Lower.
This is what it looks like.
It's dim lighting. I wouldn't say that it's like lit up like Garden City Pier.
It's very dim. So keep that in mind if you come here and you can't see like a cat.
You'll be like a shadow in the dark.
That's right. So we're coming up near the end of this pier, and it's really not that cold, even though it's 70. What'd you say?
It's 75 degrees, but it is a little chilly for me.
For you, because of the wind?
Yeah, I probably need my
your snuggie.
My little hoodie and snuggie.
Your hoodie. Well, we're about to get to the end, and we'll close it up so you won't be so cold. What is that, under the boardwalk? No, I got sunshine.
I don't even know.
So right here, if you notice, they've got the new little structure here at the very end. And this is where we saw
the mean bird pecks.
The little spikes up here.
Yeah, that's rude.
And Bunny Bee does not like that, but they have to do that because birds will sit up here and
poop on your head.
Nest. And they'll stay here and they'll poop on your head, like she said. So they're trying to keep them off. I don't know if you can see that.
That's just rude.
Yeah, that's just rude. That's for the eagles because they're so big.
Well, I understand.
That's something. And so here is the absolute very end of the Surfside Beach Pier.
And it's very calm out here.
It
There's
is.
no waves turning or it's a bit spooky.
I think I see a shark. Let's turn it this way. Right now there's no moon that I can see. Is that going to be it?
That's it. There you go. That was a look at the Surfside Pier at night.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up if you did, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because it's free.
That's right. And as always, keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Ah, they're trying to be a little bit like...
The Columbia, South Carolina.
Where?
Right there at the bottom. That's where our sun is.
Oh, Surfside Beach.
Let's go there.
Talladega. See what I'm saying? Like, brrr. What?
We're kind of slow getting up here on this.
What? You do it.
I can't.